101 clicks, 14 referrals, 1 customers. That allow you to make $35.70 every single month. 608 clicks, 2 referrals, 1 customers. That allow you to make $15.80 every single month. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a passive income with YouTube Shorts. In this way, you can make a recurring commission every single month for free. This method works worldwide. You don't have to invest anything, and this is completely free. If you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you a bonus website and where you can earn more money. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. Before we start, welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinion about these videos, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, if you go to TikTok and type a website must know, these creators find websites, apps, AI tools, softwares, and they make a simple 60-second review. They will say the website must know and what this website, and they put affiliate link inside it. Now, some of them use these views to make money. Some of them, they don't know about affiliate marketing. Basically, this website have a referral program and they will pay you recurring commission every single month to bring customer to their website or the tools. So you can see this guy make a simple 60-second videos on TikTok and getting millions of views, guys. He can use that view to make money. Again, if you go to YouTube, and you can see it's the same videos. I don't think so he upload this same videos on YouTube. Is someone is uploading that, but you can see people from other creators also uploading the simple shorts videos about the website you must know, and they're getting good amount of views. Now I'm going to show you my proof how I did it and how I make a recurring commission every single month. So if you see this TikTok I uploaded on TikTok and the same video I uploaded on the YouTube Shorts, you can see the analytics is around 370 people viewed it and 25 likes and 3 comments. So what I did, I just promoting an AI called Javas AI. This is an AI, you can use it for multiple purpose. In this video, I'm not going to do any review. Basically, this AI is the one called Javas AI. It's going to pay me 30% recurring commission for every customer. So because 111 people clicked it, 14 referrals, 14 people signed up for free trial, 1 person is signed up for paid membership. Because of that, I'm making a recurring commission, 30% recurring commission every single month. Like this one, Shortly AI, 608 clicks, 2 referral and 1 customer. These are coming from organic views and organic traffic. I don't promote anything, I don't pay for anything, and this website is going to pay me 20% commission. So how I basically do it, I go to website and find any website like designing website, Canva, or lots of other websites offer affiliate program. For example, if you see this website called designs.ai, this website is about designing. You can see lots of things you can do with this website. You can design a logo, you can design lots of other things with this website. Now, if you go to the phrasing section, that you can see they charge $19 every single month or $49 every single month if they for yearly subscription. If they go for monthly subscription, that's around $29 per month or $69 per month. But again, you can have a start a free trial. So what you have to do, click start a free trial, and you have a 5 or 7 day free trial for these tools. You use that free trial to create a maximum amount of content, shorts or YouTube videos, a review video, whatever that you want, create it. But if you create an entire review video, it will take a while on YouTube or any other platform to get views. But if you create a shorts videos or TikTok you can get instant views, instant clicks, guys, because it will promote for wider audience. Now what you do, go to bottom of the page, and there's always called affiliate program. If you click and join this affiliate program, it's going to pay you 20% commission, a recurring commission every single month. So if you see the pricing plan again, that you can see, you could pay it around, say for example, you refer a person and they upgraded for pro account and they are paying $69 every single month. So let's see how much money that you can make per one customer. So for example, you're gonna get paid around 20% recurring commission for every $69, guys. That means you're gonna make around $13.80 per customer. Imagine that you bring 10 customer to this website. If you times by the 10, that you are making $138 per month for free. If you times by 12, that you are making 1,656 per month per year for free from this website ad with the 10 customer. And again, guys, it is easy. If you create a short videos, those videos then they generate views every single day, and these also those videos can be alive forever, so they can generate views this month and next month and a year after that. So one thing with YouTube Shorts better than a TikTok is you can put the affiliate link in the description. So whenever people watch the videos, they can go to the description and sign up. But on TikTok, it's harder to promote a multiple different affiliate program. This is one of the issue with the TikTok. But again, if you create a simple 60-second videos, guys, simple, and you can just put it on YouTube Shorts, leave it there, and it will make you recurring commission every single month. So what you have to do, go to website like any website that offer monthly subscription, play around the website and sign up for the free trial, and create a simple 60-second videos and upload it on YouTube. You don't have to show your face. You can record your own voice, or if you don't want to show your face, you can just copy and paste the title on the website, what service they offer. So you can say best logo maker, so you can put text and show them some logos from that website and make them people to click the website. Make it a simple 60-second videos that gonna make you passive income every single month. I hope, guys, this is one of the ways that you can make money from YouTube Shorts by uploading simple 60-second videos, guys. If you really like these videos, show your support by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and again, guys, leave a comment what you want to see in the futures and also where you from, so I can make relevant content for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.